Doka Spot Lift. We have some good news for the construction workers who frequently work with slab formwork. The Doka team has created Doka Spot Lift, a robot that is capable of undertaking the demanding task of lifting formwork parts up to 5.7 meters high. With this assistant, work is faster. As the robot is simple to operate from a tablet, it also makes it safer due to remote control to avoid accidental use. Access to the robot is restricted with an RFID card. The outcome is reduced physical exertion for workers and increased overall efficiency. Fire Coat is a fire protection developed coating. It protects brick, concrete, steel, wood, and other surfaces, and complies with the Australian BAL 40 national standard that makes it ideal for buildings and structures found in high bushfire risk areas. The casing protects against smoldering embers and open flames. Just observe how it's tested. With hot heat, Fire Coat is available in two varieties. The first one, interior, can be applied like ordinary paint using a roller or brush. It's best on wood, MDF, and drywall. Drying time 2 to 5 hours. The second, exterior, is more ideal for brick and steel to maximize effectiveness. It's best to use airless spraying. The drying time is about 7 days. Silka Tempo. With Silka Tempo, constructing the walls of a private residence is faster than selecting the interior design. These lime sand blocks are very big, so a two-person team can complete 50 square meters of wall in one workday. In the video, construction workers are constructing a 2-story dwelling with a total floor area of 300 meters to make things go faster. They're employing a mini crane. The contractor adds it's their first project with Silka Tempo. But the training conducted by Zella, the supplier, was so successful that work commenced the very next day. The blocks also possess huge compressive strength of 20 megapascals and good sound insulation. PavePal P900 tile setters. Take note, the P900 robot is here to put you to the test at the moment. It only works on floors closely, but it does so with an amazing speed of 18 square meters per hour. And it's not merely placing tiles on the floor. It has a special leveling system as well as SLAM navigation to facilitate accurate placement. The P900 is already operational in big locations such as schools, train stations, and airports. It has laid over 20,000 square meters of tile, and the quality of its work has been pleasing to all parties. Smart automation in road building. The concept is to advance road construction to the next level of automation. For instance, with an automatic paver such as Vugula, you can construct highways to far tighter tolerances than standard. During milling, information from widespread surveying and planning software is priceless. Project managers can quickly evaluate the surface area volume and minimum, average, and maximum milling depth. And with GNSS receivers and RTK correction signals, the precision of the work is unparalleled. It's not surprising the idea was submitted for the Balma Innovation Award 2025 in the category Digitalization. Structuras. If you have to construct bridges rapidly, safely, and with reduced trouble, Structuras stands by to assist. Its MSS mobile scaffolding systems can accommodate spans of up to 70 meters, which qualifies them for both road and rail bridges. These systems enable each span to be cast in one or more stages and can seamlessly fit into curved courses with a variable radius. They're also adaptable enough to fit a variety of cross-section shapes. Podlock spacer. Flooring, and this team opted to utilize parts referred to as podlock. These act as spacers and also secure polyirene blocks from being blown away by the wind. Podlock especially goes hand in hand with the riprap system, which allows earthquake-resistant flooring to be created. ThermaBead. Material composed of polyirene beads, it appears new and innovative, and you'd never know it's been around in the UK for more than 30 years. If it's still so popular, after such a long time, it must do something unique. Right, and it does. This insulation reduces energy consumption by 30% and heat loss by 70%. It's also so much simpler to use than much of the traditional material. You just require coin-sized holes and a special applicator gun to inject the beads. For apartments, installers typically have the work done in under a day, and the insulation is as long-lasting as the building itself. System 3. System 3E is a construction technique that employs perlite blocks. There are a mere 6 major components, which makes errors impossible, and the speed of construction phenomenal. A 100 square meter home can have its walls finished in one day, no glue, mortar, or water required. It's little wonder that the inventors of System 3E refer to it as the largest innovation in construction over the last 100 years. To boot, the blocks can be fitted without heavy machinery, and the price is about the same as conventional techniques. No wonder this system has been utilized in over 100 projects in Poland, Spain, the UK, and beyond. Structura Flamline. This great membrane is primarily employed for waterproofing expansion and control joints and acts as a two-in-one system. It prevents water and accommodates movement. Flamline can be applied to a wide variety of projects, from residential structures to parking decks. Aside from the obvious concrete uses, it also functions well with metal, plastic, and wood installing. The membrane is relatively easy and does not need special training or equipment. Flamline is shipped in the convenient roll form that makes it easily portable to the job site, even via a narrow hatch. Rebel Sensors concrete is among the most used building materials in the world, with worldwide output amounting to 6 billion cubic meters of concrete every year. So why not advance it another notch with cutting-edge tech? That's precisely what WaveLogix has done with Rebel, which are sensors that track concrete. In real time, these sensors are introduced into the mix during pouring and transfer data directly to a mobile phone. For instance, workers can identify when the concrete has achieved the strength level needed. Rebel also aids in enhancing maintenance and repair planning, like for concrete roads, and with AI software can even propose the ideal mix for particular locations, minimizing the use of cement by up to 25%.